Hi, I'm your guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. Today, I'm going to show you another recipe. It is Lychee Chicken. Some people call it lychee. Many variations in the market. This is mine. Hope you enjoy it. Let's head to the kitchen. So remember, before we begin, boil some water. Why? Because we have cauliflower. Cauliflower needs to be boiled before we can cook it. So we place the cauliflower into the water, let it boil for a minute or so. Until the greenish smell comes off. In the meantime, chicken, we add some soy sauce and some cornstarch, alright, and some pepper. I put on the soy sauce to marinate a while. Put in some salt, and I'm adding some cornstarch. Use your fingers, just do this to the chicken. Now the piece of chicken that I use is the keel part. Some people like to use the thighs, some people like to use the breast, but I prefer the keel part when it comes to chunky chickens. Okay, the cauliflower is ready. Turn off the head, you set it aside. Now once you fry this, the cauliflower goes back in again. The pan is ready warm. Put in some cooking oil. Put in the garlic. Now, first thing first, chicken. Remember what we put in? Soy sauce, pepper, cornstarch. Fry it until it's slightly golden brown. And make sure it's cooked. You can't eat uncooked chicken. You'll get a tummy ache. See, certain parts are still red, and inside you have to be very careful for chicken. And I always use low flame because for people who doesn't really know how to cook, when you put on low flame, you can control whatever you do without any worries. Chicken is nearly cooked. Put in the onions, quartered, red pepper, yellow pepper, then we put in the lychee. Remember, this is how lychee looks like when it's not peeled, and it's supposed to be sweet and a little bit sourish, and it gives you a very nice fragrance. Okay, this unpeeled. I'm using the peeled ones, so you have to remove the skin and the seeds before you put it in. And then put in white sugar, tomato ketchup,
Do you feel that I'm your missing part?
we add in the cornstarch. Now, what did I put inside the cornstarch? A little bit of cornstarch, water, pepper, and half a piece of chicken stock cube, right? And you pulverize it, and you pour it in. Not too much. You just want just enough. Then we throw in the Chinese celery. Put in some black sauce. Some salt. Cover it. Oh, it's cooked. Now we put in the cauliflower, which is ready pre-cooked. Remember, just stir it in. And we add in some Chinese celery leaves for added flavor. Okay, this is lychee chicken for you, my version. Okay, the final ingredient, roasted cashew nuts. There you go. This is lychee or lychee chicken. Okay, let's taste the recipe. I'm gonna have a small piece of chicken, one piece of lychee, and one cashew nut. The chicken is tender enough. The lychee, you can taste the sweet and sourness, as well as the aroma is fragrant, and with the cashew nut, it's good. You should try it yourself. Thank you. Bye. If you like what I have done for you, this recipe, kindly like and share my videos with your friends, with your neighbors. Please do subscribe to my channel and do comment if you have another version of lychee chicken that you like, or something that your parents or is in the heritage of your family. Do share with me. Thank you.